When we are practicing downward facing dog, it is very important to find an appropriate distance between your hands and your feet. To do that, start from child pose. Press yourself up with hands and your feet as they are to transit into the tabletop pose. Tuck your toe under and slowly lift your hips to the sky. To fully stretch your spine, tilt your pelvis forward. Lift your hips higher at the same time, elongate your spine. Engage your quadriceps by drawing them up and bring your heels down. To protect your wrist joint, press down your palm from the base of your fingers. Evenly distribute your body weight on them. Remember, spread your fingers on the floor for stabilization only. Never just use your wrist or your fingers to hold yourself. It is very easy to injure your wrist or your finger joints. Keep your head between your arms, no tension on your neck, and glazing at your navel directions. Breathe naturally, stay anywhere from 30 seconds to a few minutes. For beginners, on exhale, straighten your knee one by one and begin with little walks. Lengthen one leg, lower the heels on the floor, and feel the back of your leg stretch out. Then repeat the others. Most beginners having difficulty to bring their heels on the floor. It's okay to keep your knees bent while holding this pose. To go deeper in downward facing dog, bring your awareness to balance of the abdominal retractions. To do that, activate your abdominal. Extend your lumbar spine by sucking in your lower belly deeply into your mid-body. Maintain your breathing deep, strong, and steadily. Keep refining your alignments and focus on your hand.